J-Brid Escort Program, Malaysia. I will be presenting at the project to eliminate the walls of language. I am TMR Corporation. I am Takizawa, the representative of TMR Inc. I am a representative of TMR Corporation, and I am looking forward to working with you. I would like to share with you the story of the development of Remote Connect, a video chat system with translation functionality, which was developed as part of the Eliminate Language Barriers project. When you think of eliminating language barriers, our focus is on a project to reduce the number of people in society who have trouble with the language barrier, including not only foreigners who cannot speak Japanese, but deaf people who cannot use telephones. In this presentation, I am speaking with a synthetic voice by AI, and digital transformation has made it possible for people to convey their thoughts in this way even if they cannot speak. Remote Connect was developed through an industry academia government private sector collaboration BA. There are also many Nikkei living in Japan. In 1990, the Immigration Control and Refugee Recognition Act was revised to allow Nikkei to work, and many of them came to live in Gunma and Aichi prefectures, where there are many automobile factories. Therefore, due to differences in language and customs, many problems arose in the areas where foreigners live. To explore solutions to these problems, we held opinion exchange meetings at NPO salons, conducted interviews and surveys with people of Japanese descent, and participated in events at foreign schools. As a result, we realized that it was important to inform people about Japan before they came to Japan, and in 2008, we provided information to those coming to Japan by connecting them to Brazil via video conference. Here is an excerpt from NHK News at the time. In 2010, a medical interpretation call center was established at Gunma University Hospital in a project with Gunma Prefecture to provide interpretation for foreign patients and train medical interpreters. 1 month before the Great East Japan earthquake, we also conducted a training project with Gunma Prefecture to establish and operate a multilingual information center for foreigners in the event of a disaster. After the Great East Japan earthquake in 2011, we gathered about 400 volunteer interpreters in 27 languages from all over the world to support foreign residents in the affected areas. This is also a result of the project with Gunma Prefecture. This is another result of our project with Gunma Prefecture. Based on the experience of the earthquake, we researched and developed a multilingual medical interview system in 10 languages and distributed it free of charge to the world so that foreign patients with language barriers would not have trouble in hospitals. The photo shows the presentation of the system at the WHO conference in Taiwan. We also trained medical interpreters by offering public lectures at Gunma University. People with language barriers are not only foreigners, but also hearing and speech impaired people have barriers that prevent them from hearing and speaking. When I myself became internally disabled due to an acute myocardial infarction, I understood how difficult it is for disabled people to live, and I wondered if the system could support deaf people with language barriers as well, so I took sign language interpretation training and studied the problems of deaf people. I decided to research. However, there were not many successful cases of researchers starting their own businesses, so we decided to have a third party evaluate our 3 business plans: an interpretation support app, a medical interpretation call center, and a medical interpretation seminar. In order to get a third party to evaluate our 3 business plans, we challenged various business contests. I challenged various business contests to have a third party evaluate my 3 business plans, and interpretation support. The result. In the Gunma Prefecture Business Contest, we won the Excellent Plan, the Deloitte Tomatu Japan Startup Day in Kanto, the Kanto runner-up, and we were also a finalist in the Gunma Innovation Award. The third-party evaluation gave us the confidence to create a business plan that eliminates the language barrier. Since then, the accuracy of machine translation by AI has been greatly improved, which was a challenge at the time of the Great East Japan earthquake. AI can now handle nighttime interpretation. We were able to develop a video chat system with translation and subtitles in more than 90% of the world's languages. We were able to develop a video chat system with translated subtitles. We challenged Remote Connect to a business contest in Hino City to have our service, the culmination of our project to eliminate language barriers, evaluated again by a third party. We were awarded the Tamashan Prize, the Hino Junior Chamber of Commerce Prize, and the Hino Corporation Association Prize, which convinced us that Remote Connect is a service that the world needs. Earlier this year, the Information Access Law for Persons with Disabilities was passed in March, and in June, a draft report was compiled by the Ministry of Health, Labor and Welfare to strengthen information access and decision-making support for persons with disabilities. The law aims to create barrier-free access in the information field, including the provision of sign language, subtitles, and Braille. Remote Connect is a barrier-free system that also supports this law. Finally, we got a prize in the public-private category at the 2022 Japan DX Awards. Remote Connect, a SaaS-type service, was recognized in the Gunma Prefecture contest, with results in the Kanto contest, and was recognized in contests across the country. Let me repeat this. Remote Connect can be used in a variety of situations. Online medical care, online government and online administration, online business meetings with foreign countries, and so on. Digital transformation, where anyone can connect to the world and speak in their own language, even with a smartphone, will bring about innovations and changes that will have an impact on the world. At the Medical Device CEO consultation hosted by the Small and Medium Enterprise Organization last D. At the Medical Equipment CEO business meeting, we had a chance to talk with a CM group in Malaysia, and we discussed the possibility of utilizing the products in JCI hospitals in Malaysia. Remote Connect enables a world that develops together, regardless of nationality or language. Businesses can achieve Goal 10 of the SDGs. Governments can comply with the Access to Information for Persons with Disabilities Act. Japanese's telemedicine and telecare association, SIG video remote medical interpreting. Here are our project members: Administrative Charge Contact NPONADI System Development C&T Co. System Maintenance Rocket Development Co. Public Relations Genmei Kikaku Exclusive Distributor TMR Corporation Advisor Professor Emeritus, Gunma University Professor Tetsuo Sakamaki Knowledge Japan Medical Service Accreditation for International Parients, JCI, Accredited Surveyor Japan's Telemedicine and Telic. Finally, Remote Connect, please watch the Remote Connect promotional video will be introduced through synthesized sound. Remote Connect is a system that connects the world. It is available in 131 countries and languages of the world. 17,161 combinations of words eliminate 90% of the world's language barrier. Operation is a simple 3-step process. Read the QR code, and allow access to the camera, and then tap the call. Connections are made on a one-to-one basis. You don't have to choose your device, be it a computer, iPhone or Android device, and you don't need a dedicated download. Spoken words are automatically translated and displayed with subtitles. Remote Connect features: connect to more than 90% of the world. Easy 3-step operation. One-to-one connection, no download required. Remote Connect is online medical care and government offices for foreign residents, and online business meetings with foreign countries, and more. Remote Connect can be used in a variety of situations. Through digital transformation that enables everyone to connect with the world and converse across language barriers, we will bring about innovations and changes that will have an impact on the world and realize a society that develops together regardless of nationality and language. Thank you for your attention. Arigato gozaimashita.